We are keeping a close watch on shares of Twitter as the social media giant prepares to go private. It has been a long journey for the company since it went public in 2013. And we're bringing in Jared Blickery to take a look at the company's journey as a public company. $26 a share is where it debuted at back in 2013.
What a journey. And we're already up to 50 now. All you had to do was sink your money in there for 9 years. Let's take a look at the year to date. Now, we are up 15%. That is because of the merger news. But you take a look at the max chart here, going back to 2013, you can see a whole lot of nothing. This is just one giant trading range that has played out, and we are roughly in the middle of it. Get used to this because we are not going to see this chart probably after some period of time. You'll notice that the price, $50.04, just a little bit short of the $54.25 or $54.20 that Elon Musk is going to pay for it. So what accounts for the difference? Akiko, we were talking about this a little bit earlier, and if you wanted to buy Twitter right now, well, you could make a few bucks, and if you have a lot of money to borrow, you could leverage that trade. And so there are hedge funds out there that are probably buying it at 50, so they can get the payout at $54.20.
You know where it's going to end.
$54.20.
That's
assuming
it.
it happens, but there's a small chance that for whatever reason it falls through. But then, of course, Twitter gets the payment from Elon Musk. There's a penalty payment there. So really interesting to see this play out, Akiko.
So there's a lot of speculation, Jared, about what exactly this is going to mean for the platform. How is our user experience going to change? And it got us thinking because we have heard from Elon Musk in the past that he wants to take the ads off of the platform and make it a subscription model. We took the question to all of you. Would you actually pay to use the social media platform? And here's what we found. 85% said no. So I don't know if you've been seeing it. Over the last 24 hours, so many people weighing in. You know, some people saying, I'm going to run off the platform. I don't want anything to do with this. Others saying they're going to stick around. If this is the model he goes for, looks like there's going to be a lot of people leaving.
Yeah, but what kind of people? What quality people? I can't wait to pay $10 a month for Twitter. If that means that I don't have
$10 a month?
Yeah, that's what you pay for Spotify, right? Pay for
access to Twitter. Is it the same value as Spotify, though?
Depends on who you are. It might be to me. So I'm willing to pay $10 a month. If you got even $5 a month from 14% of the monetizable daily active users, that's going to put you at about $2.5 to $3 million in revenue every year. Now, they just closed out $5 million in revenue. They are losing money in 2021 and the previous year. So we'll have to see. It's not going to get them over the hump per se, but it is a source. And I can't wait to see what Elon does here. This is going to be fascinating. It will. It
will be interesting. I think you're a little more generous than I am. I'm trying to think of my cap. $5 maybe.
Yahoo Finance will pay for it.
Subscription.
Yeah.
You're right. We can expense
Exactly. Why not make it 20?
Jared coming up with a solution there.